Bad news for medical imaging AI developers. There's more than a dozen ways for us to represent AI results. But the good news is there's a standard for us that we could use to help simplify this process. And today, I'm going to tell you all about it. Let's talk about AIR.
Hey, I'm Brad. I'm a healthcare integrator in a vast ecosystem of healthcare applications. We connect these applications using standards like HL7, FHIR, and DICOM, and bring it all together with IHE, thus making the world a better place for all, for doctors, for nurses, and ultimately for the patient. This is Healthcare Standards and Profiles.
AIR, or AI results, it gives us standardized DICOM objects for us to use for all the different workflows. So for example, if we're doing a segmentation, or we're doing a classification, a measurement, a qualitative measurement that we want to share, we could use AIR to guide us into what DICOM object we're actually going to use.
So AI results, or AIR, allows evidence creators to create AI results and store them in a normalized format that's predictable for image viewers. So for example, we might create AI results for qualitative findings, such as how a nodule appears. Is it solid or semi-solid? We might create measurements like how big a particular lesion or what the volume is. We might create results that specify locations. So for example, in the upper left lobe, we might create AI results that show regions of interest. We might want to create heat maps to show areas of concern using parametric maps. We might leverage tracking identifiers, nodule 1, nodule 2, nodule 3. We might reference other images using an image reference mechanism. And we might take a number of these different measurements and construct result trees that we would then share back as added items into the imaging study. The actor transaction diagram is fairly straightforward. Our AI applications, or evidence creator, construct these documents and push them into our image manager, like a PACS. Then later, an image viewer, like an image display, which could be a zero footprint viewer, can query for the imaging study as well as these results and pull them and then render them in a standardized way. To learn more about AIR and all the other IHE profiles, visit ihe.net.
So with that, now we know what types of AI results we should be creating for the different types of imaging workflows. Let's go do something great.